Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I've decided to say I'm sorry, so lie, pretend that you're okay, swear that you will stay, keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies, don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide, don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs, too many things to criticize. It's all a little behind, don't wanna live a lie. Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street, when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains.
Nah, gimana hari ini bang? Ya lumayan, anginnya pun kencang ini, pas layang waktu di tengah langsung turun ke bawah lagi. Kita belum tahu nih ronde kedua nih kayak mana ya.
Kalau ronde yang pertama tadi
berarti ditunda bentar lagi mungkin Iklom. Nah.
Oh ini semuanya layang Aceh ya bang?
Ya Aceh. Ada juga layang anak enggang, cuma hari ini nggak ada dia. Entah udah kalah dia, kita pun belum tahu kan, belum nampak soalnya.
Misalkan nanti kalah kayak mana bang?
Ya kalah itu udah ada, tapi kita yakin aja menang nanti kan, karena udah 2 cap yang kita ambil itu, mungkin entar lagi 1.
Oke, terima kasih ya.
Ya sama-sama.
There's nothing left for me to hide.